Welcome to Mundo the Alex channel, and today I'm going to be holding something, and it is a dragonfly. Okay, I am really scared. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. It looks like a cockroaches. Oh no!
There he goes.
No!
Oh no!
No!
Got him.
Yeah,
Let's try again.
Okay, I think he'll fly off.
Grab him.
Hey, little Timmy, stick.
Yeah, grab him, buddy.
Here. Do you want to open up your hand? Here.
I'm scared.
It's okay.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. What does he feel like?
Feels like a little, like he's just walking.
He's like your lizard. He's like your lizard, but smaller.
Yeah, he's like a lizard.
He feels like a lizard?
Mm-hmm.
But smaller.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Yep, 100%.
Are you sure? I'm so scared. Eden, when he flies away, try to catch him, okay? And I'm really scared right now. Yeah, I'm scared. Does he feel like Cookie Smalls?
Yeah.
Are you
Like
sure?
a small lizard.
Get. I want to be.
Oh, he fell.
Jimmy, come back here, Jimmy. I had to hold him.
Come here, Alex.
And then when I when you put him on me,
Mhm.
then take him off straight away.
Okay, I will. But you have to stay really still. We can't hurt Jimmy. Really still, okay?
I'm scared. I'm
This
scared.
video's a
I'm
flop.
scared. I'm scared.
Okay. I'm sorry. Look at him. Just feel him. He's not doing anything. It's okay. Check it out.
He's not even standing straight.
My boy is not. There you go. Look at him.
He
It's
looks like
okay.
he looks like an ant.
Do your intro. Hurry up.
And this is the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Get off of me. Get him off of me.